in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make the Greek yogurt recipe. This is a very simple and fun recipe. So we're going to need a big strainer actually, an even bigger bowl, a spatula of course, some yogurt because we're making Greek yogurt, duh. We're going to need a piece of linen and a string. So the yogurt should be really thick in order to make loads of recipes. So let me show you how thick it should be. It should look this thick. You see how thick it is? It's amazingly thick. So first we're going to start, let me put this aside. First we're going to start with placing the middle of our piece of linen in the middle of our strainer. So just try and count the distance. Is this the middle? And then you'll find out the middle of your piece of linen. So about this is the middle of my piece of linen. Just give it a press. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to take your fresh yogurt, of course. Open up your bucket and scoop the whole thing in. Okay. So this might look like a lot of yogurt, right? Because maybe you wouldn't think we should add that much yogurt into our Greek yogurt, right? But that's not right. You should add this much because half of this yogurt is the milk's water. Yogurt is made out of milk, and milk fortunately has water in it. And half of this is the milk's water. So when it's drained all down, then half of it is like going somewhere else. It's disappearing. So just take the size of your piece of linen and just here. And now you're gonna take your string and make a tie. Like this. Try and take it from the bottom of its neck and just make a tie. One and here. So I made a tie, and here is what it actually looks like. So we're just gonna take this place, try to take its hair out, and here it is. So this is what it should look like. And what you're gonna do, we're gonna leave it in the fridge for 24 hours. And you're gonna try and just twirl it a bit, about this much, about 3 times in this 24 hours if you can. So this is what it will turn out after 24 hours. I hope you enjoyed the video. And after 24 hours, this is what you find. See you next time, guys. Bye.